Hello, my name is Yeva and my mom just ordered this package for me, so let's open it and see what's inside. So inside we have a wooden globe. You can assemble it yourself. It's educational, it doesn't require any glue, and it's natural. The company is Ugears, and it's a Ukrainian company. On the back, you can see they have different models in case you want to try something else, and there's a bunch of different languages in case you speak another one. The options are Russian, Spanish, Polish, French, German, Ukrainian, and even English. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So you open it from the bottom. It's really easy to open, and inside we have the wooden pieces. We have the stickers that go onto the globe. It's the different continents, and they're all numbered, as well as they're all numbered on here so you can easily find it. There are also instructions in case you need them. We have big rubber bands, small rubber bands, some wax, and sandpaper to smooth down surfaces. I also really like that it comes with everything you need and you don't need to buy any additional stuff like most kid packages do. So I just put everything in place, and here are the instructions. It has a lot of information in all the different languages, a lot of pictures on how to assemble it, and a lot of pages of information, so you definitely won't mess up. And the wood, it smells really good, it's really strong, and you can definitely tell that it's real wood. On page 4 is where the assembly instructions start, and I already noticed that on this piece of wood is the helper that will assist you with getting all the other pieces out. I can see that this is a very interesting project, and I don't want to have it all to myself, so I'm going to invite my mom over. Mom, come here! What? I want to do this project with you. I just finished building this and I really enjoyed it. It took me about 3 hours, and I really liked how it's made of actual wood, it smells like wood, not any chemicals, that it didn't require any glue, that it was easy to follow the instructions, and just spending time with my family. And this is how it works. You put your thumb over here and your index finger here, and you pull them together and it spins. So, what do you think? Do you like it?